Hi, I'm Nina Lovejoy,
And I'm Casey Granza.
and Casey and I are part of your Academic and Career Pathway Success Team. You're part of the Business and Technology Academic and Career Pathway, and we're going to share a little bit about what an ACP is, a little bit about career counseling and planning, as well as academic counseling. And our goal today is just to be resourceful, help you to navigate your time at MiraCosta, and so that you are successful.
All right, so what is an ACP and why should you care? So with ACPs, they're going to help you narrow down your area of focus so that way you can start an educational plan towards a degree or certificate for completion or transfer. ACPs are more than a collection of majors with related courses that fit within a career area. This is a community that we're beginning to build so that way you can start networking and develop a support system. As part of your ACP Success Team, we are here to help you navigate through the college experience. And we're here to help you with whatever we can to set you up for success on your educational journey. I'm going to be introducing our ACP team. So Jenny is our peer mentor who will be here to assist you to navigate the college experience, help with classroom and discipline-specific success strategies, and connect you with resources and services. And I am Casey, your career peer. I will reach out to you via phone and email and be your primary point of contact for this ACP. Nina Lovejoy is our career liaison who can assist you with career-related questions. If you're trying to discover your career direction, need help finding a job, or have interest in an internship, she can help. Sinclair and Jonathan are success coaches, and they can answer questions about programs and general education requirements, help you register and enroll in classes, and support your success here at MiraCosta College. Sinar and all of our counseling staff will work with students to focus on career development and create comprehensive education plans. Share knowledge about degrees and certificates related to our ACPs. Al is our ACP Dean who will work with other ACP Deans to ensure that there is consistency across the teams and will work with the team to foster student success within the ACP. Chris is our team coordinator and will assist students who want to move between ACPs, coordinate services and support within our ACP team, and report team goals and outcomes. Annie is our instructional faculty liaison who will collaborate with faculty and staff to develop and implement equity-minded, high-impact learning opportunities for students. You can contact through our biz.tech.acp@miracosta.edu email anytime, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.
Awesome. Thanks, Casey. So I want to share a little bit about some career development resources. So when you're first starting in college, it's great to sort of start with the beginning, which is assessment and then career exploration. So self-assessment is kind of answers the questions, who are you and what do you want in a career? There's a great resource on the main MiraCosta webpage and also on the Career Center page called Career Coach. And it's a good start for self-assessment to say, what am I good at? What do I like? Learn a little bit more about yourself. Once you get to a point where you have zeroed in on, a potential major, you then kind of figure out, where am I going? And maybe some questions that might need to answer are, what can I do with this major? Maybe it'll help you connect your career with a major that makes sense so that you're working toward ultimately the objective of the career that will be interesting, satisfying, and also on the next bullet, financially lucrative in order to be able to meet your expenses and make sure that the job and the path that you're taking fits in terms of being able to afford rent, other kinds of basic living expenses. And a person that can help you is a career counselor. We have a couple of career counselors at MiraCosta that can kind of help you navigate this process and share more resources. To make an appointment, you can knock on the career peer door. That's also on the Career Center website. And you can just chat with them online. They can help you to set up an appointment to meet with a career counselor. Once you kind of get to past that assessment and exploration phase, you kind of get into career decision making. How are you going to get there? So once you've picked a major, you've decided what you're going to do, you kind of have to start setting some goals to figure out how you're going to get there. You might continue to zero in on that goal, maybe do things like informational interviews or other kinds of things to help you to make sure that the path is the right one for you. And then you get to action planning. And a great place to start there is what we call Jane. Jane is MiraCosta's job and internship network. You can log on at any time and create a profile at miracosta.edu/Jane. You'll then get information from the Career Center, hear about job fairs, internship opportunities, all different kinds of options to help you continue moving toward your career goal. So we're going to take just a second to watch a short video. This is regarding myEdPlan, which is kind of the next step. After you kind of zeroed in on the career, you will move toward creating that education plan, kind of those last steps of your action plan, start taking classes and moving toward that goal.
What classes should I take next semester? How close am I to graduating? What if I change my major? Can I still graduate by next spring? These are questions that can be answered by myEdPlan, MiraCosta's new online tool to help you stay on track. Use it to see your major certificate requirements, track your progress, run what-if reports, and view your online EdPlan. You can access myEdPlan through Surf. Log into Surf, then click the myEdPlan button. The first thing you will see when you log into myEdPlan is your degree audit worksheet. A degree audit worksheet is a list of all the academic requirements for your goal at MiraCosta and how the classes you've taken apply to those requirements. You can track your progress by seeing which requirements are completed and which are outstanding. You will see academic requirements based on the catalog year you are following, your official major or certificate goal at MiraCosta, and your chosen GE pattern. Thinking of changing your major? You can run a myEdPlan what-if scenario to evaluate other goals without officially changing your major with the school. The what-if report shows how your classes would apply to a different catalog year, major, or GE pattern. This is a great way to explore other majors. Beginning fall 2015, myEdPlan will be the primary tool for counselors to create semester-by-semester education plans. This means you will be able to view your counselor-approved EdPlan online 24/7. Students can also create their own draft EdPlans for approval when they see their counselor. Your education plan should include any outstanding requirements, prerequisite classes, and prep classes for transferring to another school. myEdPlan helps you and your counselor stay directed and focused on your success at MiraCosta. Don't lose sight of the finish line. Stay on track with myEdPlan.
So great resource online, and the what-if scenarios are very cool, but you really start with meeting with a academic counselor. And so there's lots of different ways to plug in. If you click on this link or go to the MiraCosta Counseling homepage, that will give you access to each of these options. But an online express chat would be a front office staff member who could help with scheduling an appointment, or maybe just point you in a direction to figure out that you're in the right spot. A general counseling appointment, you can schedule those through the appointment system, and that's a 45-minute comprehensive education plan. You can also do express sessions with a counselor that could get answers to a quick question, or just do a follow-up for a regular appointment. And there's also shortened sessions, abbreviated sessions that just take you through your next semester. With the upcoming dates of registration, it's really important to make sure that you have those counselor appointments to make sure that the classes that you're taking are relevant toward your degree or certificate that you're seeking. And then there's also veterans counseling that you'll also see a link on that page to chat, to ask quick questions, or to schedule an appointment with a veterans counselor if you're receiving VA benefits.
In addition to career counseling and academic counseling, MiraCosta offers quite a few resources that can help you along your academic journey. Another great resource is going to be the MiraCosta webpage. The best way to navigate the webpage is going to be using the search icon right there. as well as using our A to Z index to find things quicker. Thank you so much for watching our video today. We're sorry if we missed you during our Zoom sessions, but please feel free to reach out to us if you guys have any questions about anything. We're more than happy to help.
Thanks. Take care.